Hi, it's Paul again. Congratulations again on completing Course 1, Getting Started. You're doing great. And welcome to Course 2, which is all about website themes and menus. I'm sure you're chomping at the bit to get started editing your website. But before we do that, I want to introduce to you website themes to help you to understand what they are, what they do, and which aspects of your website are a part of your theme versus the content. Okay? So first, let's talk about what website themes are. Your website theme is the part of your website that controls or determines the layout of your website, the color scheme, and the overall style of your website. And what's great about website themes is by having a single theme, it gives your visitors a common experience across all of your web pages. They'll all be laid out the same way, they'll all have your menu in the same place, your logo in the same place, the same color scheme, and this gives your visitors a better experience. The second benefit of your website theme is that it allows you to change your website in one place, and that change goes into effect across your entire website. So, for example, if you want to change your logo, or your contact information, or your menu, you change it once, and then that goes into effect across all of your pages, whether you have 10 pages or 10,000 pages. All right, the next thing that I want to show you is which aspects of your website are a part of your theme and which are in the content. And so to do that, let's take a look at a few websites.
The first website we're going to look at is a test site that uses our blended church theme. The blended church theme is intended for churches that are a blend between modern and traditional church styles. So let's look at this website and see the elements that are a part of the theme. Those elements include the name of the site, or name of the organization, the slogan, the menu, social media buttons. It also includes the general style, such as this light blue background and then the darker blue that is the background behind the content area. And as we scroll down, you'll also see that there's some contact information down at the bottom. That's also part of the theme. The footer is part of the theme. All right, another way to help you see what is a part of the theme is by looking at another page. And that's because the aspects of your website that are consistent from page to page are the parts of the theme. So again, you'll see the name of the organization, the slogan, the menu, the social media links, the colors, and the footer are all consistent from page to page. So those are all a part of your theme. Next, what we're going to do is take a look at this same site with a different theme. Now you can see that we have switched this website to using the Sidebar church theme. It's the green Sidebar church. We've got different variations of color. You can see with this theme, the name of the organization and slogan are in the sidebar, as well as the social media links and a search option. And then you can see the menu is a vertical menu instead of a horizontal menu. You'll also notice that with the sidebar theme that the image and the content extends all the way to the sides. There's no margin on the sides. We'll scroll down and you'll see the contact information is still there, but it's centered in this. And if we click the About page, you'll see that these elements are consistent from page to page. We still have the name of the organization, slogan, social media icons, search, feature, menu here, and then the footer down at the bottom. So we'll do one more switching of the theme to show you another example. For this final example, we've switched to the modern church theme using the same content. So you'll see that now the name of the organization is up here in the top left, and there's a slogan. There's no visible menu because it uses the hamburger style menu that is commonly used on mobile sites. But you can see if you click that hamburger menu, you have a search option, social media links, and the menu there. You also notice that, as with the sidebar theme, there's no margins in the modern theme. And we'll scroll down, and you can see there's also social media icons at the bottom, as well as contact information. And as we did with the other examples, we'll just click to the About page so you can see how those elements are consistent from page to page. The name of the organization, slogan, the menu is the same styling, and the footer is there. So those are 3 examples to give you a good idea of the elements that are contained in the theme versus the content.
Now that you understand what a website theme is, you're ready to learn how to switch themes and how to edit the header, footer, social media icons, and menu of your theme. There's no action steps for this lesson, so go ahead and click complete, move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.